Hello? Yes, sir. This Regina lost boyfriend, the poor one. Yeah, please, sir, can you help me give the phone to her? Thank you, Mr. Pierre.
Yes, where is me? Is your ex? Yes. I cannot blame you for leaving there. Instead of me to make money, I was busy doing red lips and cutting my hair. But Regina, this is not a plan now, You told me you just want to eat that man money. You told me that you never allowed that man to see your part, that you just want to collect him money and bring so that we enjoy. That was why I allowed you in the first place. Look at that man has used his money and took it away from me. Okay, Regina. Why I call now is for you to settle me. Regina, just settle me as your ex. We always have 100,000 for me. Regina, upon millions and millions that you have collected, I have only 100,000 for me. For my red lips and my calling of it. Regina, settle me so that God will not punish you.